Hello friends, how are you? I think you must have been fit and fine. And this is Parvesh Chaudhary. I again welcome to all of you on this learning platform. And as you can see on the screen, today we are going to discuss about the models. And friends, this is the second part of this video lecture. If you want to view the first lecture, then you can visit our channel and you can view the previous video lecture. Okay. And before proceed the topic, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe the channel. If you didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel first and press the bell icon, so you will be getting all the necessary notifications instantly on your mobile phone or computer screen. All right. Okay friends, let's move ahead on the very first slide of this video lecture. Here friends, you can see on your computer screen here, this is the first activities. Here as you in the passage, just go through. Okay students, here you can see the could, might, would and used to are some of models, right, which are expressed the past activities. Actually these are these some models: could, might, would and used to, and these are especially used for expressing the past activities. Okay, let's go through the very first term, could. Could is used for past ability, fine, and it is also the past tense of can. Okay, you must be getting. For example, here you can look at this example. He could swim when he was 10 years old. He was telling that when he was 10 years old he could swim, so we can use here the could. And further, he could speak Bengali when he was a kid. He was telling that when he was a kid, then he could speak Bengali. So friends, here in this way we can use could. And this is the might. Might, it used to express past possibility, fine. Past possibility means for example, he might reach if he wanted. If he wanted, he might reach, fine. Here in this kind of sentences we generally use might, right? And he might score a century if he played Delhi instead of Mohali, fine. So here in this kind of sentences we can use might to expressing the past possibility, fine. So this is the used to, and used to, it is used to habit, past habit and past existence. Okay, it is used to habit to denote past habit, right, and the past existence. Okay, let's go through the example. He used to sit on this very bench. He used to sit on this very bench. So he was saying that he used to sit on this very bench, fine. I hope you must be getting, students. And this is the second one. There used to be a big ground here. So here is the possibility, existence. The writer is was talking about here that there used to be a big ground here earlier, but it is not there right now. It was the past activity, right, past existence. So here in this kind of sentence we can use used to, fine. Let's move ahead. Would, it is used to express future time in the past, future time. Let's say let's look at this example. In 1920, Ram said that India would be free in the following 10 years, right? So here we have used would here in this kind of sentence. I hope you must be getting, students. You must be understanding properly. Let's go ahead on the very second slide over here. This is the future activities, and here we will use will, shall and would are used to express future actions, fine, for a planned program which is sure to happen, fine, which is definitely is going to happen in the future. There would be will is used, right, will is used, right. If the program is not fixed for a specific time in future, then what will happen? In this case, would is used if the program is not sure, right? So we will use would, fine. Shall is seldom used in modern English. You know what? Shall is used seldomly, right, not regularly in modern English. And earlier it was used with first person, right, whereas will with second and third person. Earlier what happened, we used we have used shall with first person and will with second and third person. Okay, I hope you must be getting, students. And let's look at the examples. He will build the house next year means he will build the house next year. Here is the possibility, right? There's a fixed action, fixed plan program here. So here we will use will, right? In the second example, I would be an IS officer one day, but there is no surety in these sentences. In this kind of sentences, there is no surety, so we will use would. For example, we can say, I would be an IS officer one day. Fine. And this is the last example of shall. I shall go to Delhi tomorrow, right? So here, in the first person, with first person I, we can use shall. Fine. I hope you must be getting the students. Let's move on the next slide. This is the courage, right? Another model you can see here. And in case of courage, we can use dare, right? Look at here. Dare is used to express courage. Fine. It is used not only a model but also a main verb. It is used both as a model and as a verb, also. Okay. And in both the cases, its meaning is the same. It is mainly used in negative and interrogative sentence. Fine. So let's take an example here. He dare not enter in my office. He dare not enter. So here is this is the model, right? And this is the negative sentence, right? So we have used this negative sentence, and this is the interrogative. For example, how dare you talk to me like this? So this is the interrogative. So I have told you that it is used as a model and as a main verb, right? So here this is playing a main verb and model both, right? Both role, he is playing both role. Fine. Let's move further. Here the necessity, friends, and need is used to express the necessity. Fine. It is denoted by the need. It is also a model. Fine. It is used both as a model and a main verb. It is also used as a model and as a main verb. Fine. It is mainly used in negative and interrogative sentence. For example, he need not come here, and this is the negative sentence and this is the interrogative. Need he speak further, right? So this is interrogative sentence. So I hope you must be getting all right, friends. So let's move the next one. Here the phrase and wishes, right? In this kind of sentences, we use the models. Which model? May. We use may model. For prayers and wishes, may is used. May, for example, you can take example over here. Take an example. May you live long, right? And may you get good marks. So here is, we are praying, right? We are praying for someone and wishing someone, right? So this is the short lecture regarding the model. So I hope you must be getting all those meanings and definitions of the models, students, and you really have enjoyed this little lecture. And I again sincerely request to all of you that please subscribe the channel, and if you really like this video, then press the bell icon, and so you will be getting all the necessary notifications instantly on your computer, phone or mobile. And we will continue to producing the same kind of knowledgeable videos in the future as well. And we want a great support and great motivation from all of you guys. So please support us, and please give your precious likes, comments in form of your appreciations and your compliments. So this is the time to say goodbye, friends, and meet again in the very next video. Till then, bye. Thank you so much.